In this episode, we dive into the heart of TypeScript, uncovering what it is and why it has become a cornerstone for modern software development. Developed by Microsoft, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static typing to the language. This means you can write JavaScript code with the addition of types, making your code more predictable and less prone to runtime errors. With TypeScript, types are optional and interface allows you to get a lot of power without writing additional code. It compiles down to plain JavaScript, ensuring compatibility with any browser, device, or operating system. So, why TypeScript? The answer lies in its ability to enhance code quality and developer productivity. Static typing helps catch errors early in the development process, long before the code goes into production. TypeScript also improves developer productivity through better tooling support, offering features like autocompletion and code navigation. Moreover, it serves as a form of documentation, making it easier for teams to collaborate and maintain code over time. The adoption of TypeScript is widespread, from small startups to tech giants. It's become a key part of the development stack in projects, ranging from web applications to large-scale enterprise systems. But TypeScript isn't just for the web. Its impact spans across technologies, including server-side with Node.js and yes, mobile development with frameworks like React Native. This versatility makes it an invaluable skill for developers across disciplines. Embarking on your TypeScript journey means joining a vibrant community of developers who are passionate about building secure, efficient, and high-quality software. As we move forward, we'll unravel the syntax, explore types, and dive deep into TypeScript's features. Together, we'll see how TypeScript can transform the way you develop applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can get the complete course on Udemy, where you will find code assignments, quizzes, and more detailed lessons to enhance your TypeScript skills. The link is in the description below. Check it out and take your learning to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.